Welcome to our channel NS Hello India. Today I'm gonna show you Little Mermaid's story. There are three characters: the Little Mermaid, Prince and Princess. In the deep water, under the sea, in the crystal clear water, the Mer people live. The Mer King's palace has coral walls and a roof of oyster shell which open and close gently with the waves, each one hiding a gleaming pearl. Now the Mer King had 6 beautiful daughters, but the youngest mermaid was the loveliest of all. Her eyes were deepest sea blue, her skin like a rose petal, and the scales on her mermaid tail shone like a precious jewel. The mermaid loved hearing about the world above the sea, which her grandmother described to her. When you are 15, her grandmother said, you may swim to the top of the ocean and see these wonderful things for yourself. How impatiently she waited for her 15th birthday. At last the day arrived. She combed her long lovely hair and she polished the scales on her tail. When she lifted her hand above the water, she saw a big sailing ship with a large anchor and chain holding it firmly in place. The mermaid swam swiftly to a porthole in the captain's cabin, and when the waves lifted her up, she peeped inside. There was many fine gentlemen, but the finest of all was a prince. He was laughing and talking with everyone while soft music played. She had never seen anyone like him before. She could not keep her eyes away from him. Suddenly the sky darkened and the ship started to roll. The waves grew mountainous. Thunder rolled around and the ship was tossed up and then plunged down into the stormy sea. Then the ship's mast snapped and ship rolled right over the stormy sea. Then started to sink. At first the mermaid felt happy, for now the prince would sing to her father's palace. But humans can't live under the sea. She remembered, I must save his life somehow, and she swam through the wreckage until the ship. The prince, just as he was slipping beneath the waves, his eyes were closed, for he had no strength left. He was drowning. When morning came, the storm died away and the warm sun appeared. The mermaid still helped the prince, but he did not move. She touched his face gently and kissed his cold lips. His eyes did not open. Wake up, please don't die, she whispered. She could not see dry land ahead and still clutching the prince. She swam into a pretty bay with calm, clear water. Tenderly, she laid the prince on the warm golden sand, away from the way, away from the waves. Soon some girls noticed him and called for help. He opened his eyes and smiled at the girls who had found him. As the prince was carried away, the mermaid sadly dived into the waves and swam back to the Mer-King's palace. But she was now deeply in love with the prince. The mermaid now had only one wish, to be a human. She started to ask her grandmother many questions. Do humans live forever? Do they die like us? They die, came the reply. Lives are shorter than ours. We live for 300 years, then we turn into a foam upon the waves. Humans have souls that live forever in the skies. Why can't I be like that? Sighed the mermaid. I'd like to exchange my 300 years for one day of human life. I'd rather live in the sky forever than change into foam. Can't I ever get this human immortal soul? The mermaid asked over and over again, until in the end her grandmother said, there is only one way. If a man loved you more than anyone or anything else, then his soul could run into you and you would be a immortal. But this won't happen because humans say that our tails are ugly. They only like something they call legs. I'll ask the sea witch to help, the mermaid said. So, mermaid, the sea witch cackled, you want to lose your beautiful tail? I'll make something for you to drink. When you have reached the shore, your tail will shrink and divide into two funny legs called. You will have a terrible pain like a knife cutting through you, and this pain will never leave you. You will always be beautiful and you will be the best dancer in the world. But every step you take, you it will be painful. There's something else, warned the witch. Once you have become a human, you can never be a mermaid again. You can't return to your father's palace. If the prince doesn't love you, you cannot be immortal. You will turn into a foam. The day after he marries someone else. The mermaid trembled. I'll do it, she whispered. I haven't finished, the witch said. In return for this drink, I demand that you give me your voice, for it is the sweetest of all the mermaids. That shall be my payment. She found the shore nearest to the prince's palace, and as the sun was rising, she drank the magic liquid. A pain worse than 1,000 sharp cuts went through her, and she fainted on the sand. She woke with a jump, and she saw the prince of her dreams gazing at her. Who are you? Where did you come from? Asked the prince, but she could only smile in reply. He took her by the hand toward his palace, but exactly as the witch had said, every step was like touching red hot metal. She could not cry out, yet she walked so gracefully that everyone gazed at her as she passed by. The prince ordered his servants to bring rich satin and silk dresses for her, even though She could not speak. Everyone thought her to be a loveliest girl in the palace. She heard many girls singing sweet songs to the prince, who thanked them kindly. She felt sad because she used to sing far better than any of these girls. Some other girls started to dance. The little mermaid shook out her long hair and moved across the floor. Her steps were perfect and her hands and arms moved gracefully. To the music, the prince clapped and she danced on and on, though terrible pain shot through her feet. "You are the sweetest girl I know," he often said. "You remind me of a maiden who saved my life when my ship was wrecked. I only saw her face, but yet I cannot forget her. She is the only one I can truly love." He little knows that I cried him through the waves to the shore, that I saved his life, she sighed to herself. One day the king ordered the prince to visit the kingdom of an old friend who had one daughter. "I must obey my father," he told the little mermaid, "but nobody can make me marry this princess. You are more like my lost love of if I must get married, I'll marry you," and kissed her gently. When they reached the distant land, the princess came to meet him. It's it is my true love," exclaimed the prince. "You are the one who saved my life. Let us be married at once." He kissed her hand. "How happy I am," he said to the princess. "I know you will share my joy, for I know that you love me truly." On hearing the news, the little mermaid, her heart broke. The very next day, church bell rang, trumpets sounded, and fireworks went off as the princess and prince were married. The next day, she saw her sister, but where was their long, lovely hair? "We gave our hair to the witch," they whispered, "to make her help you. This is what she says you must do. Take this dagger, and before the sunrise, plug it deep into the prince's heart. Then your fishtail will return and you will turn into a mermaid again. Remember, it is your life or his. Hurry, kill him quickly. Do not see the sun, or it will be too late." With this, they sank beneath the waves. The little crept inside the purple tent where the happy couple were sleeping peacefully. As she kissed the prince, she held the dagger over his heart. Then she hurled it far away into the sea. She looked once more at the prince, then she dived into the sea, where her body turned into white sparkling foam. She heard sweet music. She saw 1,000 delicate shapes floating and singing around her. She felt that she was floating. She would regularly swim to the shore and would see Prince searching for her. He gazed sadly over the sea as if he knew what had happened. So guys, here the story ends. From this story we learn that how a true love never hurt anyone, or for his or for her life not hurt any other. This is the true love, the Little Mermaid's story. Thank you for this and watching this video. If you like it, please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.